Hey, and welcome back to another video. What you're looking at here is a hand-operated ice auger that I got a while ago for free. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and clean it up a bit, repaint it, and sharpen the blades. And that's what this video will cover. Also, the handle up here is a little broken, it looks like. So I'm going to figure something out for that. All right, so let me go ahead and walk you over to my workstation and I'll show you what I picked up off of Amazon. All right, so I picked up some mineral oil. That's for sharpening the blades. We'll go over that later. Picked up this Rust-Oleum paint. Yeah, that's the color right there. And this here is a whetstone. It's got a couple of different grits on it. 400, and 1000 on the other side. And it comes with a rubber base to lock it in place so it doesn't move around when you're sharpening the blades. This is all you need. Other than that, we're gonna take the blades off first and soak them in a mixture to just get started on getting some of that rust removed. First thing we'll do is hit it up with a little bit of WD-40. 4mm or whatever, I guess what I meant to say. Woo! There she goes. Gotta be careful too. I got myself pretty good there. See, I've already loosened this top one here. All right, move them. Just roll it around and do the other side. Yeah, that's she's in there pretty good. Yeah, bending off. Next thing I'm gonna do is actually soak these blades in some vinegar and try to get the rust off that way. All right, just get yourself a bucket or a lid or something like that. And place the blades down in here. Handle these screws. Those are gonna wanna soak probably for 24 hours. All right, next up, grab yourself a wire brush or a wire wheel and just get rid of some of this surface rust here. All right, gonna take the blades out, get them dry. They're not completely free of rust, but I think it took down most of the surface rust there. So once everything's dry, I'm gonna take a little Scotch-Brite pad and just clean them up. Yep, so we'll get a little oil on here. And just rinse and repeat. Keep doing that for a while and give it the old paper test. See how sharp it is. So the blades are about as sharp as I'm gonna get them. I'm not really going overboard on taking care of the rust or anything. I just wanted to get rid of that little bit of that surface rust and then just give them a good sharpening on the stone here. You don't have to sharpen the blades. I mean, you can buy a new set. I think these run out about 35 bucks for these 8-inch blades here. But that was just to show you real quick. If you do decide to sharpen them, you can do it very easily and get them back to somewhat good. Make sure to remember the orientation of the blade when you first take it off. The flat side faces towards the ice. So you want this bevel edge up like this and the wide edge on the outside. And repeat. Lastly, what we'll do with the blades is go ahead and hit them with a shot of WD-40. Now, unfortunately, I won't be able to test this until we get some hard water. So stay tuned. I'll have another video out later. So I busted the rest of the handle off, or the grip here that goes on top, because it was already broke and I wanted to replace it. And I actually found this bolt that surprisingly seems to fit really well in here. So I'm going to come up with something here to make a new grip up top. Anyway, looks like I found something that'll work. It's an old alternator. I think I got it. There we go. Woohoo! That's what I was looking for. I think this will be perfect. An old pulley, the nice bearing inside of it. Oh my goodness. Let's see what we got here. Oh jeez. So pretty much what I did here is I took the bolt with the washer through the pulley, put another washer on the bottom side. I drilled this hole here with one of my cobalt bits. I don't even know what size it is, but the idea here is I'm gonna put like a linch pin or something through here so I can attach it that way instead of trying to figure out how I'm going to mate steel to aluminum. But I guess for now I'll use one of these cotter pins and just stick it through. That's pretty cool. And there you have it. There's the handle. Spins, or the grip spins nice and good. It's not going anywhere. Serves its purpose. Guess I'll probably clean it up and shoot it with some red paint just to match the old one. All right, let's go ahead and hit it with some caliper paint, some red. Well, it's just the only stuff I have really that's red colored. Here we go. Probably do 2 or 3 coats. Get it on there nice and good. Well, that concludes the video for today. Just to recap everything that we did. We removed the blades, removed some of the surface rust off the auger itself, hit it with 3 coats of Rust-Oleum paint, and then a couple shots of clear coat, sharpened up the blades, built a new grip up top. And that just about does it. I'll bring this whole beauty back to life and get it out on the ice for you. In a few videos from now, we get some hard water. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.